What's up, you guys? My name is Megan, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you stick around. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a collective summer haul because I have been shopping a lot, more than I care to admit, and so I just decided to combine everything into a haul and call it a collective haul because I have been collecting. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see the full extent of my addiction to shopping, just keep watching. So the first place I went was just Marshalls because they have a lot of cute clothes. So the first thing that I got was just a pair of jean shorts. I haven't had a pair of jean shorts in my closet for like years. So these were well needed and they're very cute. They're slightly distressed and they're very classy. They're not too short and they're definitely not too tight as well. The next thing that I got was just this tank top from RBX, from Marshalls of course, and it's just this ombre top. It goes from white to this deep magenta purple. I love this. This is so cute and it's great for summer workouts. Next thing I got was also a tank top. It's this bright neon pink with these tribal straps. It has a built-in sports bra and it's very, very supportive. It's from the company MPG and I got this at Marshalls as well. The last thing I got at Marshalls were just these tribal pants. I finally hopped on the bandwagon and I hadn't had any yet. This is totally my style as well because I'm usually not a bohemian type of girl, but it has navy and pink and I really liked them on and they are such a comfy Monday outfit. I have been loving these for days where I want to look really cute, but I really just don't feel like putting in the effort. These are a statement piece. The next place I went is Old Navy, and Old Navy always has my back. I love their style so much. It very much resembles J. Crew Factory and J. Crew, so it's a lot cheaper than that. So I do like going there to see if they have any dupes of my favorites from J. Crew. So this first shirt looks very J. Crew-esque. It's a black eyelet top with this detailing, the eyelet detailing, and just plain the rest of the way down, which I think is great. It's very versatile and it goes with almost anything with black in it. The next two things that I got are actually very similar. It's just blue and white polka dot shorts and black and white polka dot shorts. These ones are actually 5 inches while these are 3, but they're very cute and very versatile and I've been wearing them a ton. The next thing I want to show you guys is just this swimsuit. I got it from Dick's and it's part of the brand Uglies. I have a ton of their one pieces. Their one pieces are made mostly for people who actually swim, like swim team and stuff. I wear these to the pool all the time because, one, I don't always like bikinis because they move a lot on me, and also I burn really easily. So these are great if you want to protect your skin and just make sure nothing moves. The next place I went was one of my favorites, Target. I love their clothes. I think they're really cute, really classy, and for a really good price too. So the first thing I got was just this peachy top. It's just really cute. It has this detailing down the middle, and you can actually see through it, but it's like so subtle and very cute. The back just looks like that, and I love pairing this with a pair of white shorts, and it makes a really cute, breathable, cool summer outfit. The next thing that I got was just another tank top. I love this one. It has kind of a crew neck and it has this very cool tribal pattern. I pair this with a pair of navy blue shorts. This is what it looks like in the back, nothing too crazy. And it's very flowy and very cool, just like the other one. I got a third tank top from Target. I picked this one up. My mom picked up the same one in purple. She ordered it offline. And it's just this plain cream top. And at the bottom, it has this flower detailing, which is really cute with the denim shorts I showed earlier, and it's really cool for summer as well. The next thing I got was just this shirt. It's another cream top. I love cream tops. It has this detailing up top. Very cute with jeans, very cute with pink shorts, very cute with pink pants, very cute with pretty much about anything. Also picked up these pink shorts. These are from the brand Merona from Target. I love Merona. These are 5-inch shorts, so they're very classy, and these are so cute for summer. The last 3 things that I picked up were all bathing suit tops. This first one is just a simple black bandeau. It looks like this. It has the tie in the middle, and it just clips in the back. It's very classy, gives me really great coverage up top, and I love it. The last top I picked up is just this very classy one. It's shaped like a bra, I suppose. and it has this little tie in the middle, and it's navy and white striped. Moving on to Gap, I just have 4 things from there, and the first one is this really cute detailed shirt. It has this striped textured detailing with this flower detailing in the middle. I got this in light blue and also in this navy color. So this goes with a lot of things. Next 2 things that I got were pairs of pants, and I have never actually bought patterned pants before, and these are so cute. They're chino, and these are the khakis by Gap. They're the Slim City version, and I love them. They're very flattering and very cute. I got another pair of Slim City khakis. This is just in this navy and white teardrop pattern. I love these. This goes great with a white shirt, and it's very, very versatile. This place I went is my favorite store probably in the world, J. Crew Factory. I love them so much. They're really the epitome of my personal style, so these 4 things are really just my faves. From J. Crew, the first thing that I got was just this white eyelet top. I love it so much. It goes with so many things, and I think it's really chic, especially with these chevron looking sleeves. The next 3 things that I got were all shorts. I love J. Crew shorts, chino shorts, any shorts, fabulous. So this first pair is kind of this really cool tribal pattern, and it's kind of out of my comfort zone, and I've been loving it. I've worn them so many times, and this is actually the stretch chino, so they're very comfy, especially for those hot summer nights. This is also a pair of J. Crew stretch chinos. I love them so much. It's this really cool and fun, like floral, jungle-y pattern, but it's all in shades of pink, which I really think is unique, and I love that. This last pair of shorts is probably the most comfy pair of shorts I own besides those jean shorts. They're probably tied. These look like they're linen, but they're really cotton. They are my favorite. They are this beautiful light purple, which is not coming up on camera the way that it is in person. They are so great and so cute with all the cream tops that I showed you guys earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button and even hit that like button too. It would mean a lot.